All right, here we go. Big breath in, all the way out. I know, man.
This is a family channel.
Big breath in, all the way out. Today, kids, we're going to learn the word caca. Bend your knees. Big breath in, all the way out. It hurts to bend forward, doesn't it? Kind of.
Yes,
sit.
yeah.
Big breath in, all the way out. Breath in, all the way out. You know how hard you are to adjust, right?
Mm-hmm.
Drop those down. Bend your knees, bring the heels to your butt. Drop them back down. You're going to do that about 10 times. So what I've learned over the years is adjusting manually or by hand or however you do it's great, but following up with some type of equipment that is a motion activated adjustment catches those joints and helps them set in place a little better and gives a faster result. All right, drop them down. Make them balanced. Bend your knees, heels to your butt. Thank you. Drop them down. Drop them down, shoulders. Nice. You okay with the neck today too?
Yeah.
Drop that right shoulder. Woo, that was pretty. Left shoulder. Okay. When you come up on your hands and knees, or come so your back stays arched. Do not bend your back forward. Come on up.
Stand up.
Yes, sir. Should feel a whole
Yeah, that
lot
feels a
better.
lot better. Good.
Good deal.
So with that stretching,